Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Shift2Rail Innovation Days, a two-day online event organized by Shift2Rail to bring the rail community together to discuss what matters now at a time when we all need to reconnect. My name is Indra de Witte, Chief Editor of a Belgian newspaper, and I'm glad to be your host today. I'm glad as I know the big transport events in everyone's calendars, the last one being InnoTrans, had to be postponed. So it's great we have this opportunity to share ideas and make sure the momentum is not lost despite a difficult period. So what are we going to do then? We want to discuss together with our high-level speakers from across the rail sector and with you about how to deliver a successful transformation of Europe's rail system. As we all know, a rising traffic demand, the challenge of security of energy supply and climate change are big issues that the European Union wants to tackle. Now, health safety on board is another key focus area. Rail sector is key, but it has to match the evolving expectations of society. The role rail has to play is essential to deliver the European Green Deal, and Shift2Rail, as a body of the European Union, helps to achieve that goal by implementing an ambitious rail research and innovation program. And although we know that a huge mind shift is still needed, because rail's share in the European freight transport markets and to a certain extent passenger mobility is still not satisfactory. Rail has major opportunities to offer new services and business models to capture market shares and finally position itself with its major role in integrated transportation with the other modes. And that's how we want to look at it over the next 2 days. We'll try to identify opportunities, gaps, and innovative solutions in order to make that jump forwards. And that approach, ladies and gentlemen, will bring rail to play a renewed, broader role in global transport markets. So how are we going to proceed? First of all, you can take part in the discussion by using Slido. Just go to the website and you can see the hashtag S2R_days. You can see it now on the screen. So during those 2 days, we have top quality panels with high-level speakers, experts and European policymakers. We have debates on research and innovation. There are several parallel webinar sessions on concrete research and innovation results. And we will also have the pleasure to launch a brand new prize. But that's for later. For now, make yourself comfortable and enjoy the event. And to kick off, I'm more than glad to welcome my co-host of those 2 days. May I please have your attention for Carlo Borghini, Executive Director of Shift2Rail Joint Undertaking. Carlo, good morning.
Good morning, Indra.
We are going to do this together today.
Absolutely.
And tomorrow.
Yes.
I was talking about how important it is to reconnect with people. Is that why it's important, such a digital event, in fact?
It's fundamental because we have missed the opportunity to reconnect with people, and we need to be sure that rail is belonging to the people, and we have a huge community working in rail that we need to be sure is informed about what we are doing. We will see in the next 2 days the results of the project. We'll speak with high-level panelists. We'll have a view about the future of rail, and I think we need to start to look at what is beyond the crisis and to start to look at the recovery plan. We hope this event will be a starting point.
And we have a brand new prize, but that's for later.
Later.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted that the European Commissioner for Transport is with us here today to do the opening words. Commissioner Adina Valiant, you're very welcome, and the floor is yours.